rain, I left the fleece outside again. Damp man's ground, thirsty wood, and I, the faithless.
Just walk through it, it won't mind. Back ahead, there you go. Boom.
Whose is the voice now keeping me from rest? When all I want is sleep.
This is a lady coming out.
I've actually got a really good picture of that dog. It's laid down there and I went right low.
And oh, I can't even breathe.
Don't see 4 red telephone boxes lined up very often.
The blood from birth which comes again. The farm to yield, the crop is slain. The bloody labour maintains. But whose is the blood now smeared across my door?
It's a great house, isn't it?
House?
Yeah, rents rooms out.
Oh, it hasn't got its own pool. It is a pool.
It is cool, mate.
Says go ye prophet lead. Oh, 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 oh,
There you go.
Oh, that's really good.
Hello. I'll get your picture, I did. Thanks.
Ah, that's alright, isn't it? Thanks, that's good.
It's good when you get to a level where you can see a picture and then take it and get it, innit?
I'll let you know when I get there.